Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Last time we
Okay, cool.
So.
But you can't see Mo.
Mom, scoot over. This way.
Is it on me?
Hi, Mr. Suho.
Hi.
Hey, Suhu.
Mo can't talk.
Yeah, Mo is dead.
He got his wisdom teeth out. That's Kayla. Right there.
Somewhere in that general area.
We're featuring new people in every video. So,
Yeah.
you know.
Next time it's gonna be. Should it be next time? To be
It's a
continued.
surprise every time.
Yeah, it's a surprise. We should actually do that.
Yeah, we should.
Okay. Unit 9.
Woo.
Yay. I don't understand it that much.
I don't like this
understand
unit.
You said it's one of the easiest, but
Nope.
I mean, if you get it, it is. But if you don't, it's not.
Jimmy Doyle here. It's looking nice and good. He's standing 12 feet from the flagpole. From his eyesight to the top of the flagpole is 16 feet. And from his eyes to...
to the...
That's Teddy. Yeah, he was by himself. He ate lunch by himself.
So,
That's by
from Jimmy Doyle's eyesight to the top of the flagpole, like the height, 8 feet.
I know, but are you gonna
Okay,
use
this
it?
is really shaky. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. Why not?
Okay.
Okay, so to get sine, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So it'd be 8 feet over 16 feet, and you have to simplify it, so it'd be 1/2.
To get the cosine of theta would be adjacent over hypotenuse, which would be 12 over 16. And when you reduce it, you'd get 3 over 4.
To do tangent of theta, you do opposite over adjacent, which is 8 feet over 12 feet, which is 2/3.
The cosecant of theta would just be the opposite of sine, which would be 16 over 8, which reduced would be 2.
To get secant of theta, it'd be the opposite of cosine, which is 16 over 12, which reduces to 4/3.
And the cotangent of theta would be 12 over 8, which reduced would be 3 over 2.
Woo!
Ooh, that would
Woo!
And then Kayla's eating.
Points, and the 4 points are, you find it on the unit circle, which are pi squared, which is here, and the last digit is on the x and y is 1, so you graph it at 1, which is right here. Okay, and then you have pi, which is right here, and the last digit in the x and y is 0, so you graph it at 0 right here. And then you have 3 pi squared, so in the last digit is -1. Sorry, Sue. And that's here. So you graph out -1. And then you have 2 pi. And the last digit is 0. So you graph out 0. And then you make a line from there to there to there to here. There you go.
Yay! To get 3 sine of x, so the normal function of sine of x starts at 1. And since there's a 3 in front of the sine of x, you multiply 3 times 1. So basically the point lands on 3 instead of 1. So you start at 0 like normal, and then you go up to 3 instead of 1. And then, because you multiplied it, and then you go back down to 0. And then it's -3. And then it's back to 0. Yay! Woo! You plot the points using the unit circle.
Plot the 4.
That unit circle right there. And then I don't know how to plot that. I don't know how to plot that or that.
Okay, so this is the cosine of x. Okay, so this is the cosine of x, which is this red line. That's like the beginning line. And then this is just divided by 2. That's what she said.
2x.
So now you
Yeah, but how do you
divide
get
that.
these? You had to calculate something to get that.
Yeah, you.
Oh,
And
4 pi.
that.
It's on here.
And
4 pi. 4 pi! It's on here. 4 pi.
Pi 4, it's right
Pi
here.
4. Pi 4. It's on here.
Pi 4.
Oh, I know how. Wait, I just figured it out.
But you guys should keep this footage. That's great.
Okay.
We like math.
So,
I do a lot of math.
Again.
okay,
Does
so
someone know how to edit this?
the reason it's me.
But you should leave some of the riffraff in there.
So
So he sees the effort.
do you see how it's like how
And
it's
you
pi
should
2
come
but
in
then
and just say, here's how
dang
it's
it.
done.
It's pi 2 but then it's like halfway. It's pi 4. Do you see that? Hey, you messed
I
up.
do.
I know.
Thank
So
you,
pi
Sarah.
2,
Yes, I see it.
Pi 2 and then halfway in the circle is pi 4.
Oh.
Wow.
Wait, why'd you erase pi 2?
Woo! I just figured it out.
We figured out how to help.
So, but is there an answer?
Help jump.
No, but it makes
I don't.
sense now.
I could
It
do
makes
this, but
sense
I don't
now.
even think of it.
So,
From the unit circle, we see the sine x and cosine.
and then
Say
between
some of this.
pi
Right?
and
Where these are all the same shit.
it's here.
You just, substituting other stuff, right?
Wait, maybe they explain it right there.
Yes, they
Between
do.
pi and
Oh, Sarah, I don't know why you guys don't use this shit.
you do.
Some people teach themselves.
Pi,
My homeschool kid does
pi,
all
pi
kinds of
over 4, which is there.
You weren't
And
even
then-
filming it.
Yes, I am.
She's a fucking cool cat, nigga. Let her be who she is.
Now I have to take this out because of your foul language.
Just yell on it again. He doesn't care.
Oh yeah, remember?
It's only going to sine x. Solution of sine cosine is greater than 0. Can be found by looking. Just look at the unit circle. Right?
Dude, that's going
Dude, we need to find sine x multiplied by cosine x so it's positive. Anybody? In other words, sine x and cosine x have to have the same fucking sign. Do we get it? Both be positive, both be negative. This occurs only in the first. It occurs in only the first and third quadrant. Y'all know what the quadrant is. The solutions are therefore... Yes!
So this is my tutor, Mr. Suhu.
When you choose on that.
Yo soy una maestra de español, pero pinche matemáticas también.
Mr. Suhu's Asian. Mr. Suhu's Asian.
I love Spanish, but I give it my best to try to help them with math. Even if I have to swear. We're sorry. He knows who I am. Fucking sign. Look, I'm wearing my pizza. Here's the sign. Follow the sign.
This video is 4 minutes long. Okay, bye.
You should put some of this. Who's editing this?
Me.
But don't you have to make sure all of you...
30, 15, 15, 30.
You're not gonna say pattern or...
There's a pattern here because you start at 0. You add 30, 15, 15, 30.
Yeah.
Do you want to say what the do you want to say what the degrees are? You should say what the degrees are and then.
Oh, I
say
can explain the degrees.
So the degrees
No,
are
say something.
0, 30, 45,
6,
60,
I started from
90,
here.
120, 135,
Okay, count.
150, 180, 210, 225, 240,
270,
300, 315, 330, 360.
Woo!
Yeah.
What a performance!
What math does to you?
I love algebra too.
What? Long-term effects of math.
No.
What?
How are you
Okay,
doing
I'm
today?
explaining the pies. So basically there's a pattern with the denominator, so it's 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. What the freak? 10%.
It's not bad.
3, 4, 6. So then like this first half of the circle, it's all pi on top, so it's just pi. So it'll be pi over 3, pi over 4, pi over 6, and pi over 2. Then this next part of the circle, you basically, so it's 3, so you subtract for the denominator.
No, we didn't like hear
So
you
it'd
in
be
the
2
back.
pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6, and then the 180 is pi. And then for this one, you just add on the denominator. So it'd be 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, and then that's 3 pi over 2. And then, really? Really?
No, really?
So then,
Most of the
For this
weekend,
part of the
he was the mature one of the
hemisphere?
group.
Circumference? I don't know, who cares? For this part of the circle, so you multiply times 2, then subtract 1. So 3 times 3 is 6, and then you minus it, so it'll be 5 pi over 3. And then it's 4 times 2, which is 8. And then minus 1, so it's 7 pi over 4. Then it's 6 times 2 is 12, minus 1 is 11 pi over 6.
Oh, you're sure.
And that's it! Woo!
Obey. I want something that says obey. I really do.
What's up, pal?
Obey your math teacher always, Mr. Solo. So
Triangle and the radian will be 1, and the short side will be 1/2, and the long side will be square root 3 over 2. This triangle is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and the radian is still 1 for the hypotenuse, and the sides are both the same, so it'll be square root 2 over 2 and square root 2 over 2. This triangle is another 30, 60, 90 triangle. It's just laid out different. So the radian will still be 1, and the short side right here is still 1/2, and the long side is still 3 root 2 over 2.
Good job! Woo! Yay, we know now.
You know
if we
math.
ran there right now, we'd get it, because it closes at 6.
It's across the street, right?
Not really.
Down the street. Across the street, down the street. Yeah.
Yep. We are in the wind.
We are in the wind on
For some dumb reason.
Don't have my selfie stick today? Yep.
But it's okay, it's okay. I got long arms. What's up? Yeah. So, 10%. officer from the beginning. I told you. Yeah, you need shit. Oh fuck. Hey. Alright guys. Alright, Suhu. I'm here, Sarah Bear, get on that side. We are very cold. We out here. It's cold. It's chilly. Yeah, another sand hitting my face. Doesn't matter. Oh, there's a Kurt sign. Kite surfer. Kurt surfer. Unit circle is pretty lit. L17. My hair looks beautiful, I promise. Okay, yeah, say that while you're behind them. Okay, man.